Hola my amigos, welcome back to Marble Fun World, where we talk about all the crypto marbles such as X100 gems, airdrop, how to do this and how to do that, how to run NFT in the crypto space, and if I know to both videos and virtual game. Comment, like, share and subscribe. Amigos, this is a tutorial on how to swap on Avalanche, but let's check out the ecosystem and the swaps under it. Okay guys, this is the screen. As you can see on Telos, we have Sushi Swap, Ominox. On Moonbeam, we have Stellar, we have Solar Flare, we have Beam. On Optimium, we have Uniswap, we have Zip Swap. As you can see on Bomba, we have Ologo Swap. On Telos, we have Sushi Swap. That is that, but we are going mainly to Avalanche, guys. As you can see, Avalanche, all the decks that are under Avalanche are the Trader Joe, Pangoli, Sushi Swap, Hurricane Swap, and so on. So guys, I'll be using Sushi Swap to swap from Avalanche to any token under Avalanche. But before that, I'll go to my CoinMarketCap to search for a token under Avalanche. There's a video in my previous video. There's a video on how you can search for token under CoinMarketCap. It will be on the end screen for you guys so that you won't be confused. So I'll go to my CoinMarketCap. I'll be using Krabada. Krabada is a token under Avalanche, so I will copy the contract address. There's already a video on how you can search for token under in CoinMarketCap. So the video will be at the end screen for you guys. As you can see, this is my spooky Sushi Swap. So I'll paste the contract address of Krabada. Then I will enter the amount of Avax that I'm swapping from to Krabada. Like I used to say, what you are swapping to will be down, what you are swapping from will be up. So I'll be swapping. As you can see, I don't have many Avax. I'll be swapping 0.01 Avax to 0.032 Krabada. And they said price impact too high. The price impact is too high due to the low liquidity. That means I can't use Sushi Swap. Then I will go back to my desk screener. I'll go to desk screener to use another swap. So I'll be using Pangoli Swap. 0.01 Avax Pangoli worth 0.56643 Krabada, or in Sushi Swap is worth 0.032. If not for the price impact, I'll be using Sushi Swap. But since we can't use Sushi Swap, so I'll go use Pangoli Swap, guys. Okay guys, I'll set my slippage at the settings icon. I'll set my slippage to 11%. Okay, I'll set it to 11%. As you can see that, I'll click on swap and will confirm swap. This is just a tutorial video. I am not swapping. This is just a tutorial video for you guys to see. So if you want to swap from Avalanches to any token under Avalanche, like Krabada for example, so come and use this step, and that is how you can do it. And there are also many blockchain in the screen. Now we have Velas, Celo, many Echo, Optimism, as you can see, guys. So that is all on how to swap from Avalanche to any token under Avalanche like Krabada now we use. Okay guys, that's all. Adios, my amigos.